Hi everyone, you can use your iPhone camera with your MacBook. So to do that, you just simply have to connect your iPhone with the cable and then just unlock your iPhone. After that, open the camera here. After opening the camera, you can just open your application in your laptop. I'm gonna open the Zoom and let's start new meeting. Right now I'm able to see my video through the MacBook camera. I want to switch to my iPhone camera. Just simply command it or at the top just meeting, then just switch camera. Okay, now it's using my iPhone camera. You can see the quality, it's much better right now. Okay, this is my iPhone camera. So you can put your iPhone camera like this, then you can see like this. So I hope you will like this video. Don't forget to comment and share. Bye bye. Thanks.